Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Airbnb app not working step by step. First, check your internet connection and then try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, as a weak connection can prevent the app from working properly. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for Airbnb, swipe it away, completely closing it, then wait for a few while and reopen it. Temporary glitches can sometimes cause the app to stop functioning. Next, restart your phone to refresh the system and clear background issues that may affecting the app. Then head over to your app store or your Play Store, search for Airbnb, and then make sure that the app is updated to the latest version from the Google Play Store or App Store. Updates often fix bugs and improves performance. If the issue continues, go ahead and long press on the Airbnb app icon, remove app, delete app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store again, search for Airbnb, and then install the app again. This removes corrupted files and installs a fresh version. If it still does not work, the issue may be due to server problems, so wait a few minutes and try again. That's how you fix the Airbnb app not working. Do not forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful guides.